What's up, you guys, and welcome back to another car audio knowledge drop. Before, I've talked about DSPs not making bad speakers sound good. Trash in, trash out. Well, the same goes for recordings. A DSP or good speakers are not going to make bad recordings sound like good recordings. If the recording is bad, the good speakers, or even if you had bad speakers, are just going to reproduce what they're given. The DSP can try to help EQ out some of the bad sound, but if the recording is bad, there's pretty much nothing you can do. So thinking that you're going to buy good speakers and everything's going to sound magical in your car is just not true, unfortunately. However, if you have a good recording into your good speakers, good amplifiers, and good DSP, it'll sound that much better.